And here comes the craziest thing of 2026. The lowest car of the night, the lowest car of the year. That was an RX-8 once, but there's not a lot left. That is absolutely mental. The TKS boys are just completely off their rocker. I really have visions that there's some tiny dude in here pedaling away on the tiniest bicycle ever, but it's actually motorized. When you end up in a traffic jam with your super low car, now they're actually going to ride on top of this thing, which is going to press it even lower than it was before. You can feel that scraping. This is going to be the craziest thing of the year for sure. We've got a lady here, hello, is coming to film what is going on with this mental, insane contraption. Actually, we can have a look inside. I'm going to sneak around and see what is going on. And there's actually someone in there and he's lying flat out. That is unbelievable. I've never seen anything like this before. Probably never again. While we're waiting for a traffic jam to sort itself out, can keep moving, we'll look at this Evo 10. That is absolutely beautiful done, really wide, big box arches, absolutely polished. Now we're boosting up for the night because we're going to have a lady ride on top of this. This is getting more crazy. We've got two ladies here, going to ride on the car. We've still got this lady here filming it. Man, this is getting completely nuts. It is on the move now with two girls sitting on the roof. We've got a traffic jam now. We've got an EG coming one way. We've got this contraption coming the other way. In fact, I missed the duck sitting on the bonnet before. It's just madness. These guys are crazy. I don't want to stand too close to this, but this is absolutely crazy. This lady is still shooting. She's got 3 phones. It's off again. This has livened up the night completely. This lady is still shooting it, and she's got 3 phones. 3 phones, man, it's crazy tonight. It also goes into reverse as well. You can do a 3-point turn with this thing. Michelin, and a car with no tyres at all. But this is a good view. When I get bored of seeing this crazy thing, can I look at these two girls on here? A crazy car attracts crazy people. Man, that is no surprise. The lowest car that has ever driven around Thailand. That is complete madness. It's the TKS guys involved. Man, what can you say? I just kind of had to bring you this. And I kind of worry that this is going to go off while I'm standing next to it. Anyway, let's whiz around the front because they are almost back. The girls are off the roof. This crazy mental contraption is getting put away for now. I had to bring you that, I really did. Anyway, for loads more content on the Underup, loads more things going on, stay tuned. And we got the back flight starting. And look at the crowd that this contraption is attracting as it tried to get it into a parking space. I wouldn't want to do that at the Tesco Lotus car park. And to finish, I got to see the guy come out. I got to try and get around and see the door open and the driver get out. There's someone slowly getting out of that car. Imagine his legs are dead. This guy is an absolute legend. This guy here has just driven this round this place. It's absolutely nuts. We need to wave on the other side because this is madness personified. Unbelievable.